welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another haul video. And in this video I am going to talk about some really nice summer friendly cord sets, and these are really affordable. Fabric is really nice, breathable fabric cotton cord sets मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ. एंड मैंने बहुत रिसर्च करने के बाद कुछ cord sets लिए हैं जो कि ऑलमोस्ट हर किसी को पसंद आएंगे, बिकॉज दीज आर मिक्स काइंड ऑफ शॉर्ट्स वाले भी हैं एंड देन लॉन्ग cord sets भी हैं. सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर प्रेफरेंस एंड यू कैन गेट दीज अकॉर्डिंग टू योर प्रेफरेंस एज वेल. एंड कलर्स मैंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा ख्याल रखा है बिकॉज समर को लेकर के. एंड फैब्रिक इज़ वन थिंग आई वॉज वेरी केयरफुल वाइल चूजिंग, बिकॉज मुझे फैब्रिक ऐसा लेना था जो समर में मतलब किसी भी कॉर्नर में हो, अगर आप इंडिया के तो पहन सकते हो. ऐसी नहीं है कि दिल्ली में जहाँ इतनी ह्यूमिडिटी और गर्मी होती है तो वहाँ आप नहीं पहन पाओगे, ऐसा नहीं है. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विदाउट फर्दर डिले. बट बिफोर दैट, if you are new here, please consider subscribe. I create content related to fashion and lifestyle, everything related to me. So do consider subscribe if you like the content. Let's talk about the first cord set. This is in a shade pink, and look at this, look at the embroidery and everything. The detailings are really good. This is from Myntra and the brand is Caravelle Retail. I found it really like good brand for cord sets and other clothing as well. And the price is 987, which is I found fair price for this kind of cord sets with this kind of detailing and this kind of material. This is a cotton material and it has complete embroidery, like it's a pure cotton, so perfect for the summer. And the detailing also perfect. It has pockets as well. So it comes with different colors as well, like black, orange, light brown, white, light pink and peach. There are different colors available in the same cord sets, but I found pink is really my vibe and my kind of color, so I got this. But you can definitely check out the other colors as well. They have really good colors. And the best part is all the sizes are also available. I am wearing size small, which is fitting perfect for me and perfect for this summer. I'm going to love it whenever I wear it. It's so breathable, very nice fabric with very nice detailing. Let's move on to the next one. Next one is from the brand Sassafras, something like that. I think I'm pronouncing correctly. And this is also pure cotton self-designed shirt and shorts, and it's looking perfect for the summer, perfect for vacation outfit. And I'm wearing white shoes with it, white canvas, and it's going perfectly with this. Perfect if you are planning any summer vacation or something. It kind of like a chicken curry kind of embroidery is there, but it's not handmade, it's a machine embroidery obviously. And the price which I got it is 1124, which is 55% off currently going on. It comes with 3 colors, blue, green and black. I found this color perfect. I wanted to try this bright color also for this summer. And if you're going anywhere, you can definitely wear it for brunch or lunch, going out for the summer. It's perfect, very breathable material and very nice quality with the with this pricing actually. And I'm wearing size small in this as well, and I found it perfect, fitting perfectly. The sizes are available in this, so you can definitely check it out. Links are in the description box below, so go and check it out. Next one also I got from the same brand, and look at this. This is really a summer vibe. White and blue combination is always like very nice and very like inviting for me. And it is having a floral printed round neck, a crop top with shorts, and I'm wearing the same shoes with this. And look at my son, like he's always around me, and because summer vacation is going on. So this is how I'm styling this. In this video I'm not touching the very like styling part very much. I'll tell you the reason at the end of the video. But look at this. This is a very nice cord set. This is also like in a pure cotton, perfect for the summer. And this comes with the 2 colors. One is this and other one is red. I found blue much better than red because I don't know why I'm liking this color more more, and I'm also wearing size small because on the corsets I want to be little loose and little more breathable, like a very comfortable kind of corsets I want. So that's why I got in size small, but extra small is also available. The price which I got is it's 8.99, and I found is it's a perfect pricing for this kind of corset, this kind of material, and this kind of detailing. But the styling part, I'm just taking one bag, one shoes, and that's it. I'm good to go. I hope you like this. Links are in the description box below. Next one is also from the same brand. This is again blue and white combination, but it has abstract printed crop shirt and straight trouser. The material is georgette here, and this is also very lightweighted material. Like top fabric is also polyester only, but I didn't find it that bad kind of polyester. It's kind of a mix of georgette, which is very lightweight on my body and which is fitting very well. And I found the detailing and the size perfect for myself. I am wearing size small, that's why it's looking very like relaxed fitting on my body. And I will suggest you one thing, that whenever you are buying a corset, try to buy us one size above than yours, which will look more better than the actual size in the corset. And for the styling part, I'm just wearing one heel and one bag, my usual one, and a small earring. That's it. Because the corset is having abstract print, I don't want to distract it with my accessories much. That's why very small earring I'm wearing it. This is what my personal style is. Maybe you are different, or maybe you like something different. So this one I found is perfect for the vacation as well. If you are going somewhere vacation this summer, then you can definitely check this out. And it's very breathable and very lightweight on my body. So I feel that going out with this dress is also perfect, this corsets. And corsets are really cool and really nice, and this brand is having so many corsets, so you can check different corsets as well. I'll link some of them also in the description box below, so you can check that out. Last but not the least, my favorite brand Sangria, and this is a cotton cord set. This is a shirt and a trouser, and shirt with a collar actually, and there is embroidery on the pocket which is giving a different vibe. This is a perfect kind of like cord sets with the shirt and a trouser. If you don't want to wear the regular shirt and trouser, you can try these kind of cord sets as well for your office also, or maybe for your outing, or maybe for your vacation or something. So I found it little bit Indo-Western, so that's why I'm wearing jhumka kind of oxidized earring with this, which is going perfect with this. I didn't find like gold earring is going really well with this. Maybe my point, maybe my perspective about this dress, but I really like when I wore this oxidized jewelry with this. एंड देखो शूट करते करते मेरी हालत ऑलरेडी एक ही दिन में ख़राब हो गई है, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट वेल, बट आई एम शूटिंग दिस वीडियो फॉर यू गाइज. सो गो एंड subscribe to the channel. That will really give me motivation, and I hope you like this one as well. This is from the brand Sangria, and Sangria is having really good quality products. So this is coming with 2 colors, so you can check other color as well. And the price is 11.83, which I found very reasonable, very good for this kind of quality and design and material. Everything is perfect in this dress. So that's all for today's video. These are few corsets which I wanted to share with you all. These are mixed kind of, इसमें short वाले corsets भी थे, long corsets भी हैं, and this one is Indo-Western kind of. ये भी मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा, but it depends कि आपका स्टाइल क्या है, आपकी comfortability क्या है. I am sharing few options which I really liked from Myntra. Let me in the comment section below which one you like the most. कोई suggestions है तो वो भी आप share करो. Somebody commented about the vlog. So मेरे previous video में किसी ने comment किया है कि आपके अब vlogs नहीं आ रहे हैं. So I'll try to bring the vlogs as well. Like I'll try to share some snippet of my life so that we can connect to each other, right? and trust me, today I'm not well, still I finished this shoot. And I because I want to be consistent on this platform, so that's why still I finish the shoot, and this video will also go live very very soon. So consistency, I'll try definitely. And you guys also do one thing, just help me out, share your suggestions, subscribe to the channel if you like the content. If you feel it's good, is useful for you, then do consider subscribe. It really helps, it really motivates us. Other than that, do share it with your friends and family, and see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.